Good evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is the WestCon weather update for today, Tuesday, January 23rd, 2018. It has not been a great day out there by any means with rain and cloudiness, but we are finally starting to see some daylight out there as the skies are blue, as indicated by this picture I took from the roof of the Science Building a short time ago. There go the clouds, and in comes the sun. Say goodbye to them as they go on their way. Unfortunately, though, we do still have a few advisories to tell you about. A flood watch is in effect just to the north of the Danbury area for Litchfield County, and a flood warning is in effect for the Connecticut River well off to the east. Now, these are thanks to those ice jams we've heard so much about lately. The water levels will be a bit higher than usual, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal, fortunately. Our weather headlines for this week will be drying things out, especially after we get through the next couple of hours. A brief cold spell is on the way. It'll really be with us Thursday and Friday, although tomorrow is certainly not going to be as warm as today. And a wet weekend is in store for at least part of it. We'll get to that in just a moment. For now, though, in Danbury at 3 o'clock, we have partly sunny conditions. Temperature of 56 degrees, a dew point of 50. Humidity is at 81% with winds out of the southwest at a rather light 5 miles per hour. On our national map, we have a cold front just over the Danbury area. That will be pushing through later on this evening and leave us with quite a bit cooler weather, and then much colder weather once this secondary cold front moves through. And that is why we will be experiencing those below average temperatures for the end of the week. Thankfully, though, no precipitation to speak of, as everything off to our west is quiet. On our satellite, as of 4 o'clock, there go the clouds and the showers that we experienced earlier today. Eastern Connecticut was actually hit a bit worse than Danbury was, but it's not like we didn't have our fair share of the rain either. There it goes, and behind it will be dry, although another cold front will be on the way for tomorrow afternoon. And on our radar, we can see there goes the rain, and look at how much rain Eastern Connecticut got. Even in the 3 hours of this radar loop, there was yellows and reds, either over southeast Connecticut or Rhode Island. That's where the heaviest of the rain fell today, for sure. Our forecast for Danbury tonight, a low of 30 degrees, winds west 5 to 10 miles an hour. An early shower is possible. I can't completely rule that out. A few icy patches certainly possible as well, especially on untreated roadways and sidewalks. So watch your step as you go out the door tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow, high of 39 degrees, mostly sunny. That is seasonable. The difference is that the wind out of the west-northwest is pretty strong at 10 to 15 miles an hour. That will certainly make it feel quite a bit colder than the upper 30s. And now for our extended forecast. Thursday, 32 degrees, sunny and cold. 15 degrees the overnight low Wednesday night into Thursday. And then look at this. Yeah, that's pretty painful. An overnight low of 9 degrees. 33 degrees on Friday, but sunny, very similar to your Thursday. And then we warm things up significantly for Saturday. Saturday looks terrific with a high of 46 degrees and partly sunny skies. Unfortunately, although Sunday we do keep the mild air around, it does look like there will be at least some shower activity in the Danbury area. Thank you so much for watching. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. Have a great night.